It's about 7:15 in the morning, and we are back in the Brosseau Vineyard in the Chalone AVA. And I wanted to come down for the second time this week to check on our Syrah and Grenache. We had a little bit of heat. We're getting some heat this weekend, so we're close. I am hood up because it's actually probably about like 54, 55 degrees right now. And my fingertips are actually super cold just from grabbing berries, which is a nice thing. It's great to have these cool mornings here. It just takes a few seconds of sun to get the guns and the headband out and a little, but we're at about 22.5 bricks and we're getting really close. Bricks wise, we're kind of there, but flavors, we still just need a little bit more. Here in the Grenache, it tastes like we're a couple days behind the Syrah. So I wouldn't doubt we grab the Syrah on Monday, and this will probably come off on Friday next week, somewhere right around there. Things totally flipped once I got the headband on, but you know, I'm out here in the woods all by myself, just me and these squirrels. It's kind of rad. Whoa. We've boogied over here to Rodnick Farm, which is on the opposite side of the Chalone AVA. We're going to check on some Mourvèdre that we've got here, and we're probably 4 weeks out at the earliest from picking any Mourvèdre off this property. Rodnick Farm is the vineyard that we had labeled Antle Vineyard for several years before it was sold. But I think the most amazing thing about it is that it is the most mineral of all of our sites. Even at this stage, you can pop one of these berries and it tastes like granite and lime. I don't know if you can hear, but we're starting to get a lot of yellow jacket activity, so we know we're starting to put on sugars. But yellow jackets are a pretty big nuisance for us here. They can really do some damage to some